this feeling when I see the different seasons. The healing she has given, her teaching is still vivid. I believe she's God-given, a gift from God, this woman. I don't need another leader, cause she's there when I need her. She was there when I needed, and she's all I ever needed. This goes out to every mother, a sister, a wife, a lover. You'll always be the number one, always shining like the sun.